and taking out that criminalization tag from it
Absolutely.
helps. You know, you have to look at people with empathy.
Yeah.
I mean, we need love today. I genuinely believe और कुछ
Yeah,
नहीं करो, सिर्फ प्यार कर लो, बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट हो जाएंगी
the
आपकी.
concept of it being the word criminal and then
हाँ,
it doesn't go together.
antithetical.
It's just
Yeah,
does
it's
not
not
go
nice.
together.
It's not
It's not
nice.
nice, and you know I don't support that. for
So
sure.
just be and let others be, yaar.
yeah, live and let live.
Yeah, live and let live.
Yeah, so you both are playing the role of the mothers.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if in case...
Our children turn out to be gay, I think we'll be fine.
I'll be fine,
I'll be
absolutely. Because one has experienced it. I have gay friends. I have some extremely close friends who are the best friends ever.
Yeah.
You know, I just think, as I said, you know, me and my husband may be completely heterosexual and not have had any homosexual tendencies ever in our life. But if our daughter grows up like that,
Yeah.
that is her
Yeah.
choice
Yeah,
in life.
that is her choice.
Even if she wants to experiment with something, if
Yeah.
she wants to experiment
Yeah.
with it for a while,
Yeah.
come back to being heterosexual, I'm totally
Yeah.
okay about it. Everyone should be okay about it. It's each person's experience.
To his own, yeah.
You know, at the end of the day, so that they can turn around and say, I had no regrets. It's not about the
Absolutely.
parents and
Yeah,
the father and the grandmother and grandfather saying, no, ये नहीं करना चाहिए. It's about the individual themselves. अगर वो at the end of their life can turn around and say, no regrets,
Yeah,
that's
no
what
regrets.
matters. Thank you.
So last question for today. As you know that the producer is Ekta Kapoor, do you have anything to talk about her?
Ekta, I think, has just been, it's been incredible that the stuff that she's putting out on Alt Balaji. I'm loving all the other trailers as well. I'm really looking forward to Nimrat's show. And the fact that she has stood up there and taken a stand for something like this and given us the confidence and given our director the confidence that go ahead and do this.
It's
because the world
phenomenal.
needs to know.
It's
It's
phenomenal.
phenomenal.
It's
And I
phenomenal.
think, you know, kudos to you, Ekta. Thank you.
Yeah, and Ekta, the most important thing is that you are bringing in this concept at a time where it was most needed.
Yeah.
Because,
Yeah.
you know, it's well timed. The youth is going to be watching it. That's our target audience in any
Absolutely.
case.
Yeah.
And the other thing being the confidence, as she rightly said, that she's instilled in us. So I think it's about time that we have programming like this. Thank you, Ekta. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot.
Pleasure.
Alright, so can you please tell us about your roles in the series?
Start? I'll start. Okay, so I'm playing Ramya. My name is Srishti and I'm playing Ramya, who's obviously Jugal's very impulsive, spoiled brat sister, who obviously grows up to be a little more understanding but still a brat. And yeah, so I'm basically narrating the story. I'm here to tell the story of my brother who has gone through a lot and how I realized that the problems that we go through are nothing compared to what they go through. And you know, and we watched it yesterday. I didn't really. So, do you want to know about my character or do you want to know about my experience?
Yeah, character.
Okay, so yeah, so obviously she tells a story, this very important story about homosexuals who go through so much, and I don't know what else. So yeah, so you say something.
Experience about acting, co-stars, director.
Yes, you can.
Yeah, so like I told the others that I was very, very overwhelmed when I saw everybody that I was working with when we went for readings and I met everyone. I was starstruck, so it was very difficult for me to like get into my zone and warm up. So yeah, but then they were so nice and they made us feel so comfortable, and it was a mad set and everybody was going crazy, and Nupur had to literally calm us down, and she had to shout at us a couple of times and tell us to shut up because we used to scream and howl and shout and we wouldn't stop. So yeah, it reflects in the energy of the show, you know, where in the fun scenes, the scenes that we had so much fun and came out so well because we are all just so comfortable and happy with each other. So yeah, my character didn't have a lot, although I'm narrating the story, but it's more about Romil and Jugal and their love story and how, you know, people have a very bad misconception about gay people and that they're not in love. It's more about the sexual aspect of it. So I think this makes people realize that it's not that, you know, you can actually see the love between the two and you can actually fall in love with these two people. So I think that happened with me and that happened with all of us.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm so lucky to be a part of this show.
Hi, I'm Pritika. I play Meher, which is Mercutio's character in the original Romeo and Juliet. And yeah, I completely agree with her. It was a blast working because the cast was so amazing and the people were so amazing to work with. And they were so talented, and it's a little intimidating, but they just help you, and at the end of the day it's such a beautiful product that's come out. And I was so happy to see yesterday that the message that we all believe in actually came across, and that's the most beautiful feeling, that you've worked towards something that you know you believe in. And yeah, I'm the stoner best friend, and I think the rest you can see. I think it was a great experience. And one last thing, I want to really thank Nupur, because she really gave, I think each one of us, but for me especially, the creative freedom to build my character and to actually become Meher as much as I wanted, and as whatever it took. She gave me that freedom, and I think that's what makes the show brilliant also. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, my name is Vidisha and I'm playing Naina, a very cool mom of modern times. I'm playing her mom, Meher's mom, and I help her through the emotional upheavals that they face in their teenage or growing up years. First love, the feeling, and I think the story is just too amazing, because this kind of a story hasn't been done before in India, I think. And the way the whole treatment has been done, it's just beautiful. It's poetic almost. And the director, of course, has been a wonderful person to work with. Nupur, I've worked with her before, and this is the second time I've had the privilege to work with her. She understands, so that's what I say to everyone. She understands the nerve of every actor, and she, gets out the best in them. She makes it so natural, so lively. And of course, the crew and the cast, they were hilarious. I mean, Manini and Suchitra, when they get together, it's like it's fun to the core. So we really enjoyed ourselves while shooting, and it's a very sweet story. I think everybody should watch it, and they'll fall in love with all the characters.